Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. And if you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel and watch all these videos. If you're liking these videos, then you can hit the subscribe button. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, open your account in Zerodha, Upstock, Angel Broking, or Alice Blue. The link is in video description. So hope you guys are watching our price action video series, which we started step by step. So if you're not gone through, kindly go through this price action trading concept basics and then few examples how I have captured and few live trading how I am doing it, so that you will get one example how to do it or some confidence. And we will be learning more concepts in coming days also, so that your knowledge gap or your doubts will be cleared. So let's see one more example today how the market is performing. Okay, again the market has opened gap up today and the 30 minutes range has been formed, and the second candle is gone down also, and now it is currently trading above the 30 minutes range. So it is somewhere still bullish. A lot of stocks will be in positive in this case. Most of the stocks are in positive zone today. Most of them are in green if you see. Let's go with again a basic way of picking a stock. There are many ways of picking a stock, you would have known from my channel. Still the basic to basic, Hindalco. So Hindalco is currently trading around how much? Q1, and the high is around 363. So it's still trading near the high and it's in top gainer. So somewhere if you see metals all are in the top. So I'll just add Hindalco to the list. Hindalco is already there from previous one. I think Hindalco is taking this resistance seriously. So it is testing, but if you see the resistance is going higher and higher, okay, and the support is also almost going higher itself. Let me remove this. Now let me keep this as a support line. Yeah. So you remember yesterday I spoke about Hindalco and we did a short and expecting it to come down, and you see it has finally had come down, and later it has gone up testing the same levels. So that is one advantage by knowing price action, what traders are trying to take action. Now looking at this, traders are looking to short the positions, right, trying to get the stock down again to these support lines. So what we will do, we will try to short and try to take advantage of 0.3 percentage and see. So again I have taken just 1500 shares of Hindalco to scalp the 0.3 percentage, just like how I did yesterday, just to show you guys. Okay, again I'll take a calculator, same thing, I will calculate 0.3 percentage and set and keep, because for a scalper discipline is important. Minus 0.3 percent, my target will be around 359.70. okay, so what I can do is exit at 359.70. 359.70. So automatically when it falls to 379.70 during this price action, when few traders look to sell here, because if they're trying to take advantage of a down rally like yesterday, at least 1-2 spike also will give the profit, right? So it will take time, like I told you. See, it will go down and it will go up and down, so it will go dancing, it will go down, up and down. But end of the day, overall if you see the price action, the overall it has taken it down, because a lot of people are trying to pull it from this resistance zone to this support zone, so that it can trade within these zones. So during that moment our target will be around somewhere, how much is the target, we'll set it here. So our target will come somewhere around here. Okay, so whenever it comes and hits this line, we are done, right? So we'll patiently wait for the stock to move, fluctuate up and down, and then we will see. Okay, meanwhile if you see my short term position, yesterday I booked Tata Coffee because it went up yesterday. So I booked my profit around 10,000 in Tata Coffee. So with the invested value was 1,83,000. So it went up to 1,93,000. So it was a good movement. As per my expectation, the price action, I got around 5.5% something. See here 5.46%. So once it touched 5%, I tried to book this particular trade then and there. And other two positions are still on. I've not taken any other position as of now, but other two positions are still on. So overall, even this one is going to reach 5%. If you see 4.8% overall profit has been reached, because I had taken around how much? 786, and the current price is trading around 724. Yes, my calculation was around 830. Around the stock has a tendency to move, and the stock has come up to 824.35, so close to my level of 5%. And also Alembic, my expectation was 115 to 120, but yes, it is slowly moving. I had taken around 104.82. It has gone up to 108. So 3% movement. Another 2 rupees or 110 rupees. This will also hit 5%. So almost 5% scalping is what I am looking in each stock. Meanwhile, in this small gap, it has hit the order. So 359 has been broken just now. So 359.70, I just broke. So let's see the chart. Okay, so it went up to 359.57 some level, and our target was 359.70. So that is the beauty of scalping. You know that a lot of price action traders are going to do a sell because you saw a turn over here, right? Resistance zone. This was the resistance zones where every time it was turning and a red candle was formed and giving a confirmation. Okay, now traders are trying to sell. Now I don't know whether they will sell it till here, and like yesterday, like we predicted, it happened. It came till here, but I don't know whether again they will do the same and they will get it till 554. But one confidence is at least 0.3% is what I need, scalper. So I just booked my 0.3%. So hope you're getting one rough idea. By understanding price action, you can also do intraday scalping along with some short-term trades where I am targeting around 5% in each trade. Okay, so that is like 0.3%. In short term, I'm scalping 5%, which is more than enough because bank standards is what I get 5%, my fixed deposit. So I am trying to beat that fixed deposit in each trade. So Tata Chemicals 530 something which it has achieved in the morning, which I have not noticed. So 532 has been achieved. So my actual target was 530. The stock has a capacity to move up to 530, but it's okay. Anyways, morning it went and came down from these levels. So let's see if it can again go up later. Maybe I don't know if this is the pattern, because you can see how the top resistance has been formed here. So they are using this line as a resistance point and this as a support point as of now. Okay, a small support line has been created. Maximum correction can be somewhere in these lines, but a breakout or one more high can be somewhere around 730, 837, 835. So around 830 is where I have to book my profit, this line. So let's see, stock can recover today itself or some other day. Anyways, it's a short-term position, or even long-term, I can say I'll just sit and wait because these are equity. I can keep waiting for them. Alembic, like I said, 115, 120 possibility is there, but like I told, I scalp. So 5% in short term. So as soon as it hits 5%, I will try to close even Alembic, and then we will try to hunt a different stock. Anyways, that was more about one more live example which I showed you about the price action, how you can take advantage with understanding the psychology of other traders, how traders are going to react. Based on their reaction, I'm just making some profit. I'm taking advantage of their movements. All right. So if you're not gone through the videos, then directly go and check out these live trading videos for few examples. Also this basic video which I have taught. I'll be teaching you more concept, because more concepts you learn. We are using very less concepts here. With less concepts only we are able to do this. So you'll be learning more concepts so that you can go through different situations of trading. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you soon in my next learning video. Till then, take care.